Well, here we are, starting on the disassembly. I'm going to do a little bit today. It's absolutely miserable, pouring rain.
Spider.
Apparently there's a spider under here. Got a coolant leak there. Don't know what from. Hose or the manifold. Most of this stuff here is going to be replaced on.
There's a ton of spiders here.
There's a ton of spiders here, apparently, I've been told. That's out, that's out. Tore my cover one more time trying to pull it straight when it's soaking wet. You got one of those fancy Adco covers. Don't pull on it when it's wet. It'll just tear. Not very strong, not impressed for the money. But, oh well. Just repair it up some more. And this is the beginning. I'm just gonna disconnect some lines and stuff today. And not really too interested in laying in a puddle of water, so there's the fan. Gonna get replaced on, alternator replaced on, valve covers, intake manifold, carburetor, distributor, cylinder heads, manifolds, all these vacuum lines, air conditioning compressor, all the bracketry, all that's going bye.
This is a blue seat.
Even these ignition wires, although they do look fine,
Red.
it worked okay. I don't know, maybe I'll reuse them. Anyhow, that's enough of this nonsense. I haven't really taken any shots of the inside of the RV. It was sort of restored years ago before I bought it. Seats are in good condition, new carpet. That front original seats were wrapped in leather. Even put power seat assemblies in it. There's the controllers, those are handy to have. Automotive headliner put in. I just can't figure out how to get this thing down if I need to do any servicing. The galley, the stove was removed. Just make do with hot plate microwave. And barbecue, of course. It is for camping after all. Like to replace on that fridge too. And the other thing I need to do is I have a water leak. If I turn the water on, it leaks underneath that cabinet over here. Just haven't had the gumption to go in there and look. Got to get the drivetrain working. So I sure do want to use this next year. Anyway, on that note, here we go.